Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? You're fine? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 1. And we are learning Unit 7. Its title is Play. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of pronunciation skills, we are going to learn about digraph. Before this, in English for grade C, you have already learnt digraphs. I hope you remember. And today we'll learn further to recognize and identify digraphs, the, f, ch. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Surah Al-An'am verse 77, then when he saw the moon rising up, he said, "This is my Lord." But when it set, he said, "If my Lord does not guide me, I should indeed have been of the people who are in misguidance." Yes, my dear students, what this verse is telling us, who is the person about whom Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning in Quran? Yes, it is the story of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. Beta, when he looked at moon and he was searching for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and he thought maybe this moon is shining, it's my Lord. But when in morning the moon disappeared, he thought, no, it's not. So when he realized moon, sun, sky, earth, water, everything which Allah has created are signs of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and they connect us with our Lord. They are not Lord. They are the signs of Lord. They tell us Allah is the creator of all these things. Subhanallah. So beta, these signs, whenever we look at the signs of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we should glorify Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We should say Allahu Akbar. We should say Subhanallah, MashaAllah. Right? And my dear children, now look at these words. TH. Here in these words, it's giving the sound. Right? And this SH is giving sh sound. How it happens? Do you know that? Okay, then tell me what are individual sounds of letters and what is a digraph? Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you remember all the letters of all the alphabets have their own sounds, and those sounds are called individual sounds. And digraphs are a pair of two letters representing a single speech sound. It is called a digraph. So, my dear students, this, whenever you find this word, these two letters together, di means two. Di means two. So, digraphs mean two letters giving one sound. Two letters giving one sound. And what happens basically, they leave their own sound and they make a new sound which is called a digraph, right? It can be two consonants. Remember consonants? And it can be two vowels. Remember vowels? What vowels are? A, E, I, O, U. There are 5 letters, A, E, I, O, U. And rest of all the letters are consonants. So when two consonants are joined together and they give a sound, they give one sound. It is called a digraph. Now, look at this digraph. Okay, I'll explain it over here. This is C and this is H. Do you remember this sound? I have taught you. What is the sound of C? Yes, it's K. And what is the sound of H? It's so CH, these are their individual sounds. But when they are together, they don't sound like They don't sound like that. They make a new sound which is ch, as in cheer. This is cheer. This CH is giving sound which is cheer, right? Likewise, TH. Do you remember their sounds? But when they are together, they give the or th sound. The. TH can give two types of sound. One is as think, as thank you. And other sound is the sound, as that, they, their, right? So, TH is a digraph because these two letters combine together to give a new sound, which is th or the sound, right? Next is SH. What is the sound of this letter S? S, remember? And the sound of H is, but when they are together, they give a new sound that is sh sound, as in shampoo. Okay, so it's shampoo, right? And PH. And but when they are together, they give f sound, as in elephant, this elephant, or fawn. All right. So, beta, this is the concept of digraphs. And these are 4 digraphs which we are going to discuss today. All right. There are more than this, but we will focus on these digraphs. Okay. Now, look at these pictures. What is the sound? Ch. And how we'll say it? Cheer. Because we identify these two letters. They come together. Okay. So, they are together and they will give ch sound, cheer. Ketchup. Okay. March. You know, march, the soldiers, how they do parade, that's march. And bunch. All right, because CH are coming together and it will give bunch. Right? Do you read like that? Good job. All right. Torch. Sandwich. This is th or the. So, what is the sound here? It's the thermos. It's th thermos. Thermos. All right. The soft one. And it's the hard one. Father. Thermos. Father. Thermos. Father. The next is cloth. And SH, what is the sound? Sh, as in shell. This is eggshell. Shell means any covering, so this is eggshell. Shell. Fish. And push. When you push something, push. Because SH gives sh sound, it's push. PH, what is the sound? F sound, as in fawn, as in trophy, all right? As in dolphin, right? So, this is how we identify, we locate a digraph in a word and then we pronounce it. Are you clear with the concept? Okay, let's see what does your book say about it. Digraph. Look and say each word and notice the use of consonant digraph in the beginning. Okay, so here it is. Chicken. Now we know CH is ch sound, it's chicken. Thin and fawn. Right? These are the examples given in your book. Are you clear with the concept? Okay, then it's time to practice it through an activity. Are you ready for that? All right. Your teacher will give each child in the class a digraph word. Okay, a digraph word will be given to every one of you. And when you give a signal, your teacher gives a signal, all students will pair up with a partner. Like you will go and you will join one of your class fellow and then call out the digraph and its letter in the word. Whatever words you will be having, you will identify the digraph, you will say the word and you will tell what digraph is there. Teacher will check the pairs words to ensure the word contains their digraphs, and if so, send the pair to the front of the room and cheer for the digraph. If they are correct, so you will cheer them up. You can clap for them. Give the start signal again so children can remix themselves into new partnership and call out different words. right? This is how every time they will keep, when the pair which like does it first, they will be coming in front of the class, right? So pause the video, enjoy this activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. Now settle down, all of you. Well done. All of you did very well. Okay, so let's practice it. We have already practiced, so it's time for your homework. You will write 10 words in your notebook and encircle digraphs in them. Here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear students, what you are going to do, here are the groups for digraphs. You will find out the words and you will write them in their relevant digraph column, right? So what we have learned today, we learned that a pair of two letters representing a single speech sound is called a digraph, and we recognized and identify digraphs. In this way, we achieved our SLO to recognize and identify digraphs, the, etc. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.